Siyempre guys, titikman natin itong balot na Cambodian style. Good evening guys, welcome to the vlog. It's still me and we are here pa rin sa Siem Reap. It's currently 8:30 p.m. and I just want to feature in this vlog yung nightlife dito sa Siem Reap. Papakita ko lang, dadaanan lang natin yung kilalang pub street kung saan maraming party, nightlife, bar, inuman, mga ganon. Pero ako di man ako iinom. Ano lang, gusto ko lang makita. So tara, samahan niyo ako. So guys, ito, naglalakad ako ngayon dito sa Pub Street. Ito yung short strip of road lang dito sa sentro ng Siem Reap. And this is famous for inuman places, mga bar, restaurants, at kung ano pa mga hangout places na famous for the tourists. Meron din ako nakikita mga rooftop bars. Dito sa Pub Street, yung mga matataas na building, merong rooftop bar. That's basically it. Maikli lang talaga itong Pub Street. Actually, parang less than 500 meters. Yung buong stretch nung Pub Street. Anyway, yun lang. Pinakita ko lang talaga. Wala naman akong planong kumain dito or uminom. Kung hindi nyo naman trip ng ng ganong klaseng nightlife, kung trip nyo ay may mag-night shopping or night market or mag-food trip, street food, eto, dadalhin ko naman kayo sa next possible destination kung ganun yung trip nyo instead of going sa mga inuman, party places. Tara, I'll show you yung Riverside Night Market. Itong Riverside Night Market, nandito lang yan sa tapat mismo ng Old Market and kahilera siya nung Siem Reap River mismo. And sa gilid niya, napakadaming street food. So kung ganito yung trip mong nightlife, eto, magsasawa ka talaga sa street food kasi hile-hilera sila dito. May mga ihaw-ihaw, may mga desserts, may mga inumin. So, napakadaming option kung ganito yung gusto mong trip sa gabi. So guys, another interesting food to try dito sa mga street food, mga insects. So, I'm gonna show you. Pero hindi naman ako bibili kasi okay na ako. Busog na ako. Nag-dinner na kami. Aside from the old market, kung tatawid lang kayo dun sa ilog, meron ditong Riverside Night Market. And they also sell the same things. Napakadaming option ng mga souvenir, damit, mga pasalubong, everything. So, hindi kayo mauubusan ng options kung gusto nyong mamili-mili sa gabi. What's up guys? We are here still sa CM Rep. For tonight, we are going to eat some street food. Actually, lumabas lang kami. Sa tapat lang mismo ng hotel na tinutuluyan namin, merong helera ng mga street food, mga food cart siya actually. And then sa paligid, eto napakadaming mga maliliit na bangkito at mga tables kung saan yung mga tourist pwedeng kumain ng kung ano nilang binili nila ng mga street food. So tonight, I am joined by my friend Han. She is from Vietnam. We will just try some of the street food here sa CM Rep. So tara, let's eat. By the way, ang special na kakainin namin tonight is itong balot. Kasi of course in the Philippines we have balot. Pero surprisingly, they also have it here sa CM Rep. Kaya nakakatuwa, nakakaaliw na makita na meron din balot dito sa CM Rep. So tara, let's eat! Balot. So how do you eat it in Vietnam? You peel everything first? Because in the Philippines, we eat it from the shell. So we just break the top and then eat it slowly, peeling the shell.
It's the same in South Vietnam. Yeah, they just only have the small cup and they put it in. They broke the top.
Yeah.
And eat it.
So this is the balot, guys. Surprisingly, they have balot din here sa CM Rep. Kaya na-curious talaga ako matikman to. Actually, pareho lang yung lasa. Wala namang difference. It tastes exactly the same. Yeah.
I think it's
Balot.
the same in Asia.
No difference at all. It's just the same taste.
Oh, different this one?
No, in the Philippines, we don't put these leaves or this lime or this spice. It's just salt and vinegar.
So this is Vietnam style and Cambodia style.
So the only difference, guys, when eating balot here in CM Rep is that they have chili beside the balot, and they also serve these leaves. Na I don't know what kind of leaf is this. I think this is spicy leaf. Let's try one leaf. Tastes weird. I don't like that.
It's quite a little bit spicy, right?
No, it's. I don't know. It tastes weird.
It's salt.
Salt.
Yeah.
Is it? Salt. I think salt and pepper. Siyempre guys, titikman natin itong balot na Cambodian style. Let us just put some salt and pepper. Sa Pilipinas, syempre kinakain natin to kasama ng suka at saka ng asin. Pero dito sa kanila walang kasamang suka at asin. Ang meron lang parang chili, basta dinurog na chili, tapos may salt and pepper. Tapos merong dahon sila na nilagay pero hindi ko bet yung lasa. Tapos meron ding lime. So tirisin natin ng konti. This is lime. So lagyan natin para maging Cambodian style. Para medyo maiba naman. like that. So you eat it like that,
Yeah, like that.
together with this vegetable?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Ginger as well?
Yeah.
So you mix everything.
Yeah, mix everything.
So we eat it like this.
You know, we got in.
Balot. So guys, for dessert, na street food pa din, we have banana roti. Siyempre, alam naman natin, very famous itong roti sa Southeast Asia. Itong banana roti ay parang makikita nyo na lang everywhere. Hey guys, hindi ko sure kung naririnig nyo ako, lakas kasi ng music, ng sounds dito ngayon sa venue. Nandito ako ngayon sa plaza and meron nga yung sporting event dito. So basically para siyang Muay Thai pero Cambodian. So let us watch this game here sa plaza. Libre lang siya para sa lahat ng residents dito tsaka sa mga gustong manood.
Are you ready? Sumberul area bot. Lalu selain ini kenyang jadi medrai bagi mereka tu menghancur sembah setiap kapal berkutu timui. Negeri kap, lihat kesang coba wayo. Liratet topan on, lihat kesang col, col wayo toket, lupa jen kau lanjut tul. Pukul kiau nampak dan orang lain, betul sehormon berumah mal. Masuk sampai, nolai kiau orang. Banyak bustrong ada.
Kol terhom, leh putih, celah kalau kamu penting, dah tentu.
Hey guys, so yun, that's Kun Khmer, Cambodian boxing. So para rin siyang Muay Thai. Actually, hindi ko alam yung difference between Muay Thai tsaka Kun Khmer. Pero yeah, basically fight game. Di ko na tinapos yung event. It's getting late na rin kasi. Yeah, I was only able to watch 2 fights. Knockout yung second game. Anyway, pabalik na tayo ngayon sa hotel. It's getting late na rin. And maaga pa yung training namin tomorrow. So, yeah.
โอ้ยว่าเขาไปส่ง